Unlock massive sales potential by making your WooCommerce products irresistible with bulk discounts. Today, we're diving deep into how to set up automatic tiered or bulk discounts on your WordPress WooCommerce store. This is a powerful strategy to encourage customers to buy more, boosting your overall sales volume. First things first, ensure you have WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. This is the foundation for all our e-commerce functionality. Now, we'll leverage a powerful WooCommerce extension to handle the heavy lifting search for and install a reputable plugin like WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing and Discounts, or a similar, highly rated option. Once installed, activate it. With the plugin active, navigate to the product you want to apply bulk discounts. To open the product editor, you'll notice new options appearing, often within the product data section. Look for a dedicated section for pricing rules or discount tiers. This is where you'll define your bulk discount structure. These plugins typically offer user-friendly interfaces to set this up. Here, you'll define your tiers. For example, you might set a rule like, if a customer buys 3 units, they get a 5% discount. If they buy 5 units, they get 10% off, and so on. You can usually specify different types of discounts, like a percentage off or a fixed amount off. It's crucial to make these discounts visible to your customers. Many plugins automatically display these offers on the product page itself, letting shoppers know the savings they can achieve by purchasing more. Now, when a customer adds the specified quantity to their cart, the discount will be automatically applied, calculating the saving in real time. This seamless experience removes friction and encourages larger purchases. By implementing these bulk discounts, you're not just offering a deal. You're strategically driving up your average order value and clearing inventory faster. It's a win-win for you and your customers.